Add 2 tablespoons to the wash. It will stay fragrant for days. Even a week after taking it out of the closet, you'll smell its lovely scent. I'll show you how to perfume laundry with a simple homemade method. Use 3 portions of table salt. I measure this amount with a small cup. Salt acts as a natural stain remover, helping the detergent dissolve all stains. Along with the stains, any unpleasant odors will disappear from the clothes. To the salt, add 1 scoop of baking soda. It's a natural cleaner that removes even dried stains. Salt and baking soda soften the water, making the clothes feel nicer to the touch and helping the detergent work more effectively. This will allow the laundry to carry the fragrance you choose. Add about 20 drops of your favorite essential oil. Mix everything together and store it in a sealed container. Depending on the amount of laundry, add 1 or 2 tablespoons of this mixture to each load. Use laundry capsules or detergent as usual. To further enhance the scent, mix citric acid with 100 milliliters of water, add a few drops of the same essential oil, and pour a couple of tablespoons of this mixture into the fabric softener compartment. This way, your freshly washed clothes will have a long-lasting fragrance thanks to these natural additions. Pour into the washing machine, and you'll get rid of the musty smell, dirt, and mold. A clean washing machine guarantees clean and fresh-smelling laundry. But you don't have to use strong bleach to get rid of mold and odors. Start by cleaning the rubber seal, where dirt and mold tend to accumulate. Use a regular kitchen sponge for this. Most of the dirt will come off with the rough side of the sponge. For the washing machine door, simply spray it with vinegar. Wash it and wipe it with a dry cloth. This will remove residue and water scale. The detergent drawer also needs attention, and the compartment where the drawer goes should be cleaned as well. Vinegar eliminates mold spores and removes scale. In just a moment, that spot will be clean too. Now, take some dishwasher tablets and throw them into the washing machine. Use 3 or even 4 tablets. Toss in a towel or a sheet as well. This will help clean the machine more effectively. Pour an additional 2 liters of water into the machine. You'll need a bit more water to properly clean the drum. Select the special cleaning program if your washing machine has one, or just a regular cycle with the highest temperature. After this wash, you'll see the machine will be cleaner than ever. Thanks to this trick, this dishwasher tablet gets a new purpose. First, grab a container of water to make pouring easier. Then take a plastic bottle with a dispenser for easy application. The key product here is a dishwasher tablet, known for its ability to remove dirt and residue effectively. Crush the tablet into small pieces using a hammer or pestle. Pour the prepared water into the plastic bottle, leaving some room at the top. Add the crushed tablet pieces to the bottle, seal it tightly, and wait for the tablet to dissolve. Mix well to combine all the ingredients. This cheap and simple solution can be used to clean your entire bathroom. Spray it on the toilet bowl and let it sit for a bit, allowing the mixture to break down dirt, limescale, and other residues. Then scrub the inside and wipe the rest with a paper towel. You can also use this mixture to clean the sink, as it effectively removes soap and water stains, leaving your bathroom spotless and streak-free. Pour ET into the dishwasher and turn it on. After the cycle is finished, it will be like new. This is the best way to clean the dishwasher. Before you do that, however, check the condition of the filter. Pull out the bottom rack. Unscrew the filter. Here, all the dirt accumulates. See how much residue is on it. It's grease and food remnants. Place the filter in a bowl of warm water. Pour dishwashing liquid and scrub the entire filter. When you remove most of the dirt, change the water. Soak the filter in water with dish soap and vinegar. This will help remove any remaining dirt. It will also neutralize most of the bacteria that may have settled on the filter. Clean the edge near the dishwasher door. Dirt collects here, which is not removed during the cycle. Wipe this area thoroughly and clean it. Check and scrub the filter again. After rinsing it under running water, screw it back into place. Unscrew the salt container. You will see if dirt has settled on the cap. Remove it and screw it back on. Sprinkle a good amount of baking soda on the bottom of the dishwasher. let it cover the entire bottom. Place a small bowl of vinegar on the top rack. Turn on the dishwasher for a standard cycle. Baking soda and vinegar will clean and disinfect the interior of the dishwasher. The remaining dirt and unpleasant odor will disappear. The dishwasher will look like new. The dishes will be cleaner and shinier. My neighbor used to put them in the washing machine to prevent unpleasant odors when guests were coming over. But you don't need to stuff the machine with them. There's a better way to get rid of bad smells and grime. In the washing machine drawer, residues from laundry detergents accumulate, leading to bacteria and mold that cause bad odors. Even large amounts of fragrant liquids won't mask it, which is why your laundry may smell bad after washing. Here's how to fix it. Remove the drawer from the washing machine and place it in a deep container or sink. Take a dishwasher tablet and a toothbrush. Dissolve the tablet in hot water and start scrubbing. Dishwasher tablets contain ingredients that effectively remove dirt and mineral deposits. If the drawer is very dirty, let it soak longer. However, the tablets work quickly to clean away grime. Once cleaned, put the drawer back in place and you're done. Your washing machine and laundry will smell fresh. Place a sanitary pad in the washing machine. You'll use this trick more often than you think. The pad will help keep your washing machine in perfect condition. Take a sanitary pad and remove it from its packaging. Peel off the protective strips and stick them together. Now, spray the pad with a cleaning solution. The pad is now ready for cleaning. Lift the seal, the rubber part of the drum, and insert the pad inside. Repeat this process until the entire rubber surface of the drum is covered with pads. Leave them for an hour, then remove them. You'll see how much dirt they collected in that time. Use a microfiber cloth to clean any remaining residue on the rubber part. Wipe away any excess liquid with a towel or paper. Your washing machine is as good as new. By using this method, you ensure that the inside of your machine is disinfected and refreshed. The cleaning agents also remove limescale and prevent it from building up again. Thanks to these homemade dishwasher cubes, I save several dozen font a month. Grab an ice cube tray, preferably one with small rectangular molds. Take some dish soap and fill each mold halfway. Choose a soap that works well against grease. The next key ingredient is baking soda, which acts as a natural cleaner and neutralizes unpleasant odors. Add a bit of baking soda to each mold and mix well. Then, take a different dish soap, one with a different color and scent. This will give your cubes a unique aroma. Next, grab some toothpaste and toothpicks. Add a small amount of toothpaste to each rectangle, using the toothpick to spread it. Once done, place the tray in the freezer and store the cubes until you're ready to use them. When they're ready, just pop a cube out of the tray and place it in the dishwasher's detergent compartment. These homemade cubes effectively remove grease, food residue, and buildup.